Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for being on early with me today. If you're missing this live, hopefully be able to find this on our parent hub later on. I apologize for the last minute change, but we will be able to get the announcements going here in just 1 second. All right. Good morning, Jackson Middle School. Today is Thursday, May 7th. These are your morning announcements. Weather forecast today is partly cloudy with a high of 63. And welcome to today's Boland's Bits of Information. If you take a can of Diet Coke and then you take a can of regular Coke and you drop them into water, the Diet Coke can will float and the regular Coke can will sink. Why is that? It's the same kind of can. It's the same size can. It's got the same amount of liquid in it. There's very little difference between the Coke and the Diet Coke. So why would one float and one sink? Shouldn't they do the same thing? Well, the very little difference between Diet Coke and regular Coke is a change in density, which, as we should hopefully remember from our science class, density is the reason why something might float or sink. If something is less dense than water, it will float. If something is more dense than water, it will sink. So that's our density quick lesson again. But what's that mean with regular Coke and Diet Coke? Well, the big difference between regular Coke and Diet Coke is the sweetener. It's the sugar. And a Diet Coke can has about 39 grams of sugar. And a regular Coke can has 39 grams of sugar. And a Diet Coke can has less than 1 gram of artificial sweetener. So that difference between 39 grams and less than 1 gram changes the density of the Diet Coke to be just a little bit less than water. So that difference is what makes a Diet Coke can float and a regular Coke can sink. So hopefully you understand that. And that's an interesting science experiment that you can do at home yourself today to see if I'm telling you the truth or not. So good luck with that. Auditions for Spark of Class Show Choir, again, are due on Saturday. So please make sure that you're getting everything turned into Miss Wrist that you need to if you're interested in show choir. That information can be found on the Jackson Vocal Music website, or you can email Miss Wrist with any questions. Interim grading reports were posted this morning. They are on the Infinite Campus portal right now. So if you go to your Infinite Campus portal and go all the way down to the menu option that says reports, you should see the Infinite Campus portal interim term 4 report there. So please take a look at that. Again, just want to remind everybody that our Jackson Middle School PTSA has a Facebook page. We want to try to get as many people to as we can. If you search at Jackson PTSA and like and follow that page, you will be able to see what they have planned in the next week about silent auctions and raffles and different things like that as a fundraiser to make up for the fundraiser they weren't able to do in April with the Spring Bazaar. So take a look at that, like and follow that page, and we'll get more information about the fundraiser as we go. Don't forget to check your email, your parent hub, Google Classroom, keeping up to date on all of that stuff. If you have any questions about Chromebooks, email chromebookhelp@swcsd.us. There's no more meals for the rest of this week. Our next day for meals will be Monday, so make sure that you're ready for that. Monday from 11 to 1 at Grove City High School. You'll be able to pick up any meals that you need. There are no birthdays today, so please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Everyone at Jackson Middle School, make today a great day.